Good morning, power traders. Join our new power trading program. Buy directly with the market makers that pay 5 to 1. So you can take $1,000 investment and turn that into $12,000 profit within a 90-day structure. What we ask for those that are interested is that you call us directly. You don't have to have a brokerage account to get in the trade. So you don't have to go through a lot of paperwork. You pay, you get your receipt, you have your account, you can turn 1,000 into 12,000 profit with 90-day call options. We will write the description up for you to contact us, and the options that are done by market makers that control them, they write the options before they ever get to the strike prices. So investing in AI technology is the way to go right now for buyout candidates. It's moving forward, it's getting rapidly funded. Now is the time for you to get involved with AI investment with no brokerage account.